Another day, another session in CSGO B. Guys, we have 2000 coins in the balance, and before we get started, I'm here to remind you guys that I'm hosting a 20k leaderboard. It's an insane leaderboard competition for those who support with the code GG. So it will give you also a 5 extra. It will also give you a 5% extra deposit bonus. So guys, thank you in advance for supporting me, for making you more of this wonderful content, and also yeah, thanks. Dude, I forgot how to speak English now. Just in general, guys, thank you for supporting me, and by supporting me, I support you with participating in such wonderful leaderboards. Guys, it's 2 a.m. where I live. I'm making this very late with, you know, a little bit of hope that we can actually make some nice winnings. Yes, so I'm not gonna go too crazy because 2,000 coins, it's a decent amount, but it's not like an amount that we can go crazy with. So I know like which cases to pick. You know, this case, I feel like the site has ruined it. I mean, it used to be way better. It's 20% case. You know what? Oh fuck, it's 20%. It's 40 this, 20 that, and you know what? Let's give it a try. Okay, you know what? Let's give it a try. It might be nice, might be bad, and we're gonna put maybe this one also. Wait, did I put the new case, the ancient case? Yeah, ancient case is in hamster's case and 2v2. It's not an easy battle because I mean this case usually pays itself. Top item is insane here, and we managed to like not even break even. We lost a little bit. Turbo Heat, it's like one of the best cases in the, I mean, for the low budgets, you know, because the 5% to hit a nice amount is nice. And we got surpassed, guys. Burp case. I like this case so much, but I fucking hate it when I fucking pull nothing. So for now we are cooked. If we pull this one, I guarantee it's gonna be a wonderful session. But not only that we didn't pull the top item, we didn't even pull a fucking cheap knife. Okay. We both pulled knives, so it sweetens the battle. If we pull the hamster's case now, it's gonna be insane. They did it, we didn't. We got screwed very badly. No, this case is like guaranteed. This is the worst one, I think it's 300, but there are like the Deagle and the USP kill confirmed. It's actually like 700, 800 coins. They made a little bit of profit. I mean, the bots don't actually make profit, but if we won, it would have been a small profit. But for now, we are cooked, and the first case doesn't give us anything, guys. You know, recently, you see, as I told you, the 5%, it gives you 854 coins. It's nice. Recently, I've been working on my own cryptocurrency. It's been like very, very, very nice. The project has been going really good. I have a wonderful team. Today, actually, I had to fire some person who is like pretty old, you know, he's 45 years old, but he was fighting with the entire team, and I had to let him go. Phew. Thought that they gonna hit it, but as of now, guys, it's not coming so good. But I'm like really excited to see if I can like pull it off. I mean, our team's goal is to reach 1 billion worth, you know. Of course, we don't aim so high at the beginning. We're gonna slowly build. But as of now, guys, I mean, I feel like I'm being robbed. I mean, where's the content? How can I fucking upload such video? I mean, if I'm gonna lose 2 more battles, I don't know what can I do? Every case, I mean, I didn't pull the big logo here. It's actually a nice win if you manage to pull. They almost fucked me. Literally almost fucked me. This one, we managed to pull the big logo. It was... Okay, it's a nice pull for both of us, by the way. This one, I managed to pull the top item in my live stream. It was crazy, but I never fucking managed to pull it. I mean, look at how many items there are. I mean, it's pretty hard to fucking pull, you know. Now we managed to take the lead, which is okay, but we need to fucking at least pull the knives, man. We're drawing dead, we're doing so awfully, and I really wanna, guys, bring you the good content, you know, that you will be like, wow, what's such a good video, it's so crazy. But for some reason, guys, everything is so hard. I mean, even if we win here, we actually lose, and we won't even win here because they just pulled the big case and we got fucked. I mean, maybe if they pull the scout, we win? and they will not pull the scout. They actually won. I mean, sometimes I think it's rigged. I swear to God. I mean, how can you lose and lose and lose and lose and lose and lose? I mean, it's crazy, you know, it's fucking crazy. You see what I'm going to do here? I mean, I might do a stupid mistake, but what I'm going to do is like play like this. How much is this battle for now? Put more of those, maybe more of this. Can I do it twice? No, I'm gonna do it like it's 3 of these, 2 of these. Maybe I can put even one more case. I can't afford a 50 coin, but I can afford like a 41. There's a case. The serpent is actually not bad. Let's put it over here, over here. Okay, I have enough, and I'm gonna do it jinxed on 1v1v1. I need to pull the lowest. I mean, now I'm gonna pull like a crazy person. Look, it's always like this. Nobody pulls anything interesting. But we managed to beat the last place with him. Burp case, please, bro. No, we lost. You see, I mean, every time, dude, you need to get something, you get the opposite. I mean, it's every fucking time, dude. Every fucking time. I mean, they literally all have to pull something in order. Look, it's fucking nuts. It's fucking nuts. Dude, it's nuts. It's nuts. I'm telling you, it's fucking nuts. Yeah. I mean, it's literally impossible for us to win now. It's impossible. They all need to fucking pull top items in order for us to fucking win. Yeah, we're doomed. I mean, the odds for this to happen is that the Messiah will come now again, and, you know, no fucking chance in hell, guys. This was the session. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring the action to you. Maybe I can clutch something, maybe top item here, and then we can dream about making a comeback. Actually, you know, it's possible. 40 coins. See what we're gonna do. Look, we're gonna go to the Fusel, do all in, and try at least to get a nice multiplier going. You know, I'm doing it with desperation, you know. Yeah, I think I should have taken more time to consider which strings I should cut, but guys, it's hard. I don't know what to do, guys. It's so hard sometimes with a low balance. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I remind you to use the code GG, guys, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Bye bye.